Hey guys, so really quick, I just wanted to say thank you so much for my little man's birthday messages. He absolutely loved them. He was smiling ear to ear when I was reading them to him. So thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Okay, so this is a quick swipe that I'm doing. I'm just laying down a semi-gloss house paint for my pillow. And I am using Sasteren Green Gold. It's a shop. They have a chain. I think they originated from Denmark, but this is their in-house paint, and their gold is just fabulous. Unfortunately, you can't get them online. So if you're wanting to recreate the swipe that I'm doing here, just use a nice good gold of whatever you have. Okay, and it's the mix is 3 parts untinted base paint and 1 part polyurethane triple thick gloss varnish. Okay, this is, what is this? This is Primary Elements Snapdragon with Arteza Violet, a small bit of Arteza Violet added into it. And I'm just layering it, obviously. Let's see, what's next? We have Sasteren Green Rose, same company that does the gold. Now, I had a bit of an issue with this. I think I added, I'll explain more when I'm tilting the swipe, but I think I added too much water to this greenish blue from Amsterdam. When I was adding the water, I dumped it and I was like, oh no. So, but the end result is still pretty amazing. I love it. Okay, and now for the Cell Activator, I caved and I purchased the Australian Flood Floetrol, 500 ml bottle of it. Okay, so this is going to be, Cell Activator is 3 parts of that Flood Floetrol to 1 part Amsterdam's titanium white. No water, nothing after that. Just give it a really, really good mix. So I decided to just pour this over it. And now I'm just using a piece of card that came off the canvas that I'm using there. And that's a 12 by 12 canvas. And I've taped the edges. Okay, so now I'm just swiping, trying not to press too hard because I want to keep the pillow paint nice and thick for tilting. I want the colors to kind of glide on top of the pillow paint. And the varnish and the pouring medium helps keep those colors on top. So again, I'm just wiping off the paint onto the canvas, the edge of the canvas, and just slowly swiping away. Just going for the other side now. And I do have a mixing video on the pouring medium. I'll link in the description. I will be doing another one that's going to be quicker and less talking and just straight to the point. So keep your eye out for that. Let's see. And I have a link down below to Colorart's website where I get the primary elements, dried pigments. And I have a 25% off code for you guys to use. The pigments are, I can't say enough about them. They are fabulous. Having so much fun. I would definitely recommend trying them out. Let's see. Okay, so I just poured some pillow paint around. Oops, sorry. Poured some pillow paint around the edges just to get it to like kind of start flowing again. And now I'm just trying to get everything to move together before I actually start doing the tilt. Okay, and when I start tilting, I can really see, and I start crying inside. I can see that at first I thought it was maybe my gold was too thick, but then I realized it was I believe my blue, I have to experiment, was way too runny. Because the gold cells start popping, and I want all my cells to be like that. So I figured I need to make sure my paints are as thick as my gold was. And it starts getting a little wonky. And yes, I'm crying inside, but those gold cells that are popping up are keeping me going. They're absolutely gorgeous. Let's see, and I have the matte, my new matte, and I love it, from Loli Veffy. I have as well. I have $5 off code for you down below, on the jumbo mats, the silicone jumbo mat, and the mega mat. I have the jumbo mat right now. They're fabulous, and it comes with that scraper there down by my elbow on the left side. So what I do is when it starts to get messy, I just scrape up my paint into an old paint bucket that I storing all my, paint in. And then you get some lovely skins off of it. It's great. I just leave it there, let it sit overnight, and cleanup is easy. No more newspapers. And it's just making my videos, I think, look a lot neater. So minus the slop on there now, but they're great. They're nice mats. Check out their website. Okay, so almost done here. But yes, so the veins got a little wonky, but I actually love this piece, and I'm staring at it this morning just in awe of it. I love the composition, and those gold cells are just gorgeous. Love them. So I'm going to try and recreate this pour with all my paints the same thickness as that gold. And I have to say, the Flood Floetrol has just, oh, I don't know. I think that's me now. Okay, and there we are. I love it. Love it. So you can see the wonkiness there, but I'm okay with it. Those cells are just to die for. So yes, and it's drying fabulously this morning. I taped the edges, so I'm going to let it dry, and then I'm going to top this with resin. It's fabulous. So there we go. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't. Leave me a comment, thumbs up. Check my descriptions for links. I have a PayPal there for donations to help me purchase supplies for the channel. All that good stuff. So, all right, guys, till next time.